Good morning, students. Today we will study about the important concept of the electrochemistry. Okay, firstly we will come on the point resistance. What is the resistance? Okay, so what is the resistance? The tendency of a material to stop the flow of current. To stop the flow of current is known as the resistance, and it is measured in a ohm. So ये resistance कैसे फॉर्म होता है? जैसे कि सर्किट में वोल्टेज अप्लाई करते हैं, ओके, देन करंट फ्लो होता है ना, करंट फ्लो होता है, और उसके बाद करंट फ्लो तो होता है लेकिन वहां पे रेजिस्टेंस भी फॉर्म होता है. रेजिस्टेंस क्या है? सो रेजिस्टेंस इज द टेंडेंसी ऑफ मटेरियल टू स्टॉप द फ्लो ऑफ करंट. Why resistance form there? Because current flow due to the move of the free electron. ठीक है, but in a resistance ये जो फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन है वो क्या करते हैं? ये जो फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन कोलाइड्स होते हैं, जो पार्टिकल से इलेक्ट्रोलाइट में कोलाइड्स होते हैं, और उसकी जो वेलोसिटी स्पीड है वो कम हो जाती है और ड्रिफ्टेड द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द free electron, and therefore they are develop the resistance. Okay, so then according to the Ohm's law, the resistance offered by a substance is directly proportional to the length and inversely proportional to the cross sectional area. ठीक है, it means that the resistance जो है, if when you increase the length, then resistance is also increase because length is directly proportional to the resistance, and if inversely proportional to the cross sectional area, it means that when the cross sectional area increases and then resistance low. ठीक है, सो ऐसे टाइप रेजिस्टेंस 3 पॉइंट पर डिपेंड है. ठीक है, ड्यू टू द डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ द फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन, देन सेकंड पॉइंट इज द लेंथ ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रोड्स, एंड थर्ड पॉइंट इज द क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया. ठीक है, देन ओम लॉ. व्हाट इज द ओम लॉ? द ओम स्टेट दैट इफ द across the two ends of the conductor, okay, when you apply the voltage E and current I flow through it. वो कंडक्टर में जब आप वोल्टेज अप्लाई करते हो, if that voltage is the E, then current flow I flow through it. Then the resistance, what is the resistance? So the resistance given by the ratio E by I. In other word, current flowing through the conductor is directly proportional to the applied potential. That is E. E is the voltage equal to IR, and R is the resistance. Okay, in case of electrolyte solution, if we take the electrolyte solution, L represent the distance between the two electrodes and A is the cross sectional area of the electrode. Okay, so therefore what is the equation? R is the resistance according to the definition of the Ohm's law. Okay, or resistance according to the definition of the resistance is directly proportional to the length and inversely proportional to the area, then in equal form. So therefore R equal to rho L by A. Okay, here see the length L is the distance between the two electrode and A is the cross sectional area, and R is the current flow. Okay, and rho is the, here see what is the rho? Rho is the proportionality constant. Rho is the proportionality constant and that is known as the specific resistance or resistivity. वही रो को बोलते हैं प्रोपोर्शनलिटी कांस्टेंट को स्पेसिफिक रेजिस्टेंस और रेजिस्टिविटी. ओके, if area A is the cross sectional area is if 1 centimeter and length is the 1 centimeter, then resistance equal to rho because A equal to 1 and L equal to also the 1. So therefore resistance R equal to rho. It means that resistance equal to the specific resistance. Okay, so therefore specific resistance can be defined as follows. Okay, so it is the resistance offered by a material or a solution occupying the 1 centimeter cube volume. Okay, it means that the solution का area जो है 1 centimeter cube volume लो, है ना, सिर्फ वहां से इलेक्ट्रोलाइट सॉल्यूशन ज्यादा है या सब्सटेंस मटेरियल ज्यादा है, उसमें से सिर्फ 1 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब वॉल्यूम लो, ठीक है, एंड मेजर द रेजिस्टेंस. ओके, सो दैट इज द स्पेसिफिक रेजिस्टेंस और रेजिस्टिविटी. ठीक है, तो दिस रेजिस्टिविटी मेजर्ड in a CGS system and in a SI system. Okay, so from this unit equation we can measure the unit. Okay, so rho equal to here specific resistance rho equal to R into A by L. Okay, so R measured in a ohm, and area A is the area measured in a centimeter square in a CGS system. Okay, and and L is the length. Okay, so L is the length and divide by the cm centimeter. ठीक है, 1 centimeter कट हो गया, so रह गया क्या, ohm into centimeter. It means that the CGS system ohm centimeter and in SI system the unit of the specific resistance is the ohm meter. Okay, then conductance. What is the conductance? Okay, अब रेजिस्टेंस हो गया, स्पेसिफिक रेजिस्टेंस हो गया, अब कंडक्टेंस एंड देन स्पेसिफिक कंडक्टेंस. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द कंडक्टेंस? द कंडक्टेंस इट इज द टेंडेंसी ऑफ मटेरियल to allow the flow of current through it. To allow the flow of current, वो क्या करता है, allow the flow of current through it, or it is measure of a current carrying capacity of a substance or a solution. It is measure the current carrying capacity of a substance or solution. It is the reciprocal of resistance. It is the also definition. It is the reciprocal of resistance and therefore conductance capital C equal to 1 by R. Here 1 by R. Okay, and therefore unit can determine by. Okay, so it is measured in ohm inverse. Resistance unit measured in a ohm, and it is the conductance, it is the reciprocal of resistance, therefore ohm inverse, or write in a writing side OHM or Siemens. Okay, then conductance by formula. Okay, so C, capital C, 1 by rho into A by L. C, capital C, है ना. So why? Because C, capital C is 1 by R, means conductance proportional, यानी inversely proportional to the resistance, and resistance equal to R equal to rho into A by L. Okay, so therefore 1 by rho into L by A था, so A क्या हो गया, ऊपर आ गया, है ना. So therefore equation क्या हो गया, 1 upon rho into A by L. Okay, equal to K A by L. So this is the equation 2 हो गया. Okay, so K equal to specific conductivity or specific conductance equal to 1 by rho. Okay, so 1 by rho is the specific conductivity. ठीक है, then K equal to, therefore specific conductivity from the equation to C into इधर का जो L है A by L, L को इधर लेके आओ, सो क्या होगा L by A. ओके, सो कैपिटल C into L by A means specific conductivity equal to conductance into L by A. ठीक है, if we take the A cross sectional area, if we take the 1 centimeter square and length 1 centimeter, then specific conductivity equal to conductance. Therefore, the specific conductance can be defined as, it is the conductance of a material or a solution. What is the specific conductance or conductivity? है ना, it is the conductance of material or solution between the two electrodes of a cross sectional area क्या रहेगा 1 centimeter square and separated by the 1 centimeter distance, or the conductance measured for the specific area, that is called as the specific conductance or conductivity. Okay, so note that above solution is occupying the 1 centimeter cube. वही जो बोला है कि 1 हम जब लेते हैं क्या specific area, if we take the specific area 1 centimeter cube volume, okay, if we take the specific area or volume 1 centimeter cube, then it is measured in a CGS system and SI सिस्टम में यूनिट मेजर कैसे करते हैं, जैसे कि ये स्पेसिफिक कंडक्टेंस है, स्पेसिफिक कंडक्टेंस ओम, जैसे कि स्पेसिफिक रेजिस्टेंस क्या था ओम सेंटीमीटर, उसका उल्टा कर दो ओम इनवर्स सेंटीमीटर इनवर्स इन CGS सिस्टम, और OHM या MHO पॉइंट CM इनवर्स, और इन SI सिस्टम में ओम इनवर्स मीटर इनवर्स, ओके, और सीमेंस मीटर इनवर्स. ठीक है, द स्पेसिफिक कंडक्टेंस डिपेंड ऑन द नेचर ऑफ सब्सटेंस. Here see, the specific conductance depend on the nature of substance or the nature of the electrolytes. Okay, so when increase the concentration of the electrolyte solution, if increase the concentration of the electrolyte solution, then increase the number of ion per unit area, specific area. If we take the specific area, that is the specific conductance. Okay, so if we increase the concentration of the electrolyte, then increase the number of ion per unit area and therefore increase the specific conductance. I hope you understood. Okay, so thank you.